Now I am going to dictate a journal passage at the rate of 100 words per minute based on shorthand reading and dictation exercises journal magazine. Let's start.
Everything that was to be done, that only the doctors are responsible, and they are doing things which they should not do. Para. The first ever strike by the service doctors took place in 1987. There were negotiations. There was a memorandum of settlement, and the doctors went back to work, resumed their duties. What happened between 1987 and 1991? Hardly anything. If you want to give the message that unless the doctors go on a strike, you will not do anything, it is a wrong practice. I would like to make a request to my friend. I would like to appeal to the health minister. He should not resort to such a practice. This is not a healthy practice. Their problems should be gone into even when they are at work. But you have laid down a tradition that only when they go on a strike, you will listen to them. The government has sought to dismiss the strike on the ground that government hospitals in the capital remained unaffected by the strike. It is not simply true. More than 8,000 doctors are on a strike, and if you can still run the services without them, do you want to say that they are not required? Are you that much overstaffed? You have named 4 to 5 hospitals in Delhi and said that the hospitals are running all right. But do not you know that a total of about 250 hospitals and 1,000 dispensaries, polyclinics and medical centers are paralyzed? Why did you name only these 4 to 5 hospitals? Even that claim is not true. You have tried to mislead the House. You have not named other 250 hospitals, 1,000 dispensaries which stand paralyzed. Our concern is not only Delhi, ours is a national parliament. People from remote areas are coming to government run hospitals, but they are not being given medical care today. Parachin. Madam, this TICU committee was set up as a part of a negotiated settlement. Its terms of reference were very specific, and they made their recommendation on this. There is no need to set up another committee to examine the recommendations of the TICU committee. A case is being made that doctors are asking for more money while government has no money to give. He has not said so, but outside a propaganda is on that. The doctors are selfish. For the sake of getting some money, they are not willing to listen to the sufferings of the patients. Stop. Thank you.